आजकल की जनरेशन संघर्षों को नजरअंदाज करके केवल सफलता की मिठास चखना चाहती है। लीडरशिप इज अबाउट द breaking the first step and doing something big in our life। खुद तो भगवान ऊपर से कमी देता ही है, कुछ इंसान बना देता है ढाल कि अभी तो मेरी जिंदगी साला ऐसे ही है।
I look at you. I remember when initially I took your admission. At that time, I thought, how would I be able to inculcate those rich values?
When we don't have any purpose for living, for doing, तो क्या होता है, हमारी जो ऊर्जा है वो बिखरी रहती है। और उन हर लोगों ने मुझे इतना सपोर्ट किया कि तुझे आई फील ग्रेट।
You are giving the credit of your growth to your teachers.
Yes. Who people face such a difficulty in life, like Abraham Lincoln, like Chanakya और like लॉर्ड रामा। मेरे बड़े तो इतने पावरफुल हैं, मैं इनसे भी ऊंचा निकलूंगा।
स्पेशल चाइल्ड, जब हम इस टर्म को सुनते हैं, what comes to our mind? We think this child will not be able to do anything big in his or her life. Schools don't want to take admission of such children. They think other children would get disturbed. These children always remain dependent on their families. This is how we think about special children, and this is exactly how the case was with our today's guest, Krishna Bharadwaj. But he broke the mindset of the society, he broke the patterns of the society, and he broke out in his life, and he has remarkably come out to establish his own identity with his YouTube channel, Here Krishna. His thoughts are incredible, his ideas are inspirational. Without further ado, I want to introduce you, and with a warm welcome, I want to introduce you to our guest, Krishna Bharadwaj, who started his journey with Motivate Me Academy 2 years back. So Krishna, welcome to Motivate Me.
First reason, thank you for giving this opportunity from these 3 years, and as we are doing this great thing from these 3 years, आपने राम भैया ने, सार्थक भैया ने, मेरे पेरेंट्स ने, गौरव सर ने और उन हर लोगों ने मुझे इतना सपोर्ट किया कि तुझे आई फील ग्रेट, and this confidence is your gift.
Thank you so much for this acknowledgement. We are also equally proud of you, Krishna, you know. So I would like to ask further questions that I think the world must know about you. Okay, so before I ask some intellectual questions, I would like you to share your journey. I remember the time when 3 to 4 years back, when your brother Ram was there in our academy. So you used to approach me, you used to rush to speak to me. the saliva used to come out. You used to scratch people's when trying to hold their hands and all, and your parents used to pull you back. Okay, don't meet so closely, don't talk so closely, don't stand so closely. So this was the case. And if we talk about English language, you were not even able to understand a simple English sentence, but now you are tremendously sharing your ideas on your YouTube channel and in every discussion and presentation that you make. So, what was your driving force? What you thought that being a special child that I would like to share with you also this thing that Krishna has been declared 80% disabled by All India Institute of Medical Sciences, and this was a quite demotivating thing for a child to know and realize this thing. He was also aware of this fact. In spite of being aware, in spite of entire world telling him this thing, he decided not to stay with that idea but to come out of that zone which he was living in. So Krishna, what were your thoughts when you were in that state, and what was your inspiration to come out?
Oh, what did he say? I should say that, and that I had noticed the purpose for life. And when we don't have any aim, when we don't have any purpose for living, for doing, तो क्या होता है, हमारी जो ऊर्जा है वो बिखरी रहती है और लोग हमें क्रिटिसाइज भी करते हैं. So if I take my example, तो कई बार क्या होता है, जैसे we all know about his versatility, his ideology, and his mindset, his mind blowing. तो कुछ लोगों की आदत थी, जैसे कई बार इसका बड़ा भाई तो इतना महान है और ये एक ये चप्पल गंजू है. So in that I also felt disappointed, but when I saw my brother Ram, his talent, so he didn't think that I got this film motivate me. बट मेरे ही दिमाग ने कहा था कि भैया को ये टैलेंट आकाश सर ने दिया है. मुझे याद है ऐसा जैसे राम भैया जैसे घर में भी कुछ काम का इशू हो जाता था या कोई बात पे पापा नर्वस हो जाते थे, तो राम भैया कहते थे हो जाएगा पापा, ऐसे नहीं. आई गो सो मच सरप्राइज. मैं कहता था भैया में इतना कॉन्फिडेंस कहाँ से आया कि हर बात में उनकी एडवाइस निकल जाती है. सो आई गॉट थिंग, कुछ चीज़ें दिख जाती हैं कि बंदे को ये ताकत कहाँ से मिल रही है. तो भगवान से ही मुझे पता चला कि राम भैया को ये हुनर मिला है उनके मोटिवेशन में किए गए हार्ड वर्क के कारण. Then I thought I should also join the motivation. when I thought that I will also join motivate me. मैंने बस आई थॉट मुझे आकाश से परिणामे डेडिकेशन के साथ I will learn and motivate you.
Thank you very much, Krishna. You know, it feels immense pride when I look at you. I remember when initially I took your admission. At that time, I thought, how would I be able to inculcate those rich values, and how you would be able to cope up with the challenges that I take my students through while they learn public speaking, they learn presentation skills, they learn English language, communication, ideas. But you have coped up really well. I must appreciate you for this. Next thing I would say, you have done better than normal people. I would share with you this idea. So that was the time when, you know, he had this speech disorder, as you see, and there were other problems also in his walking, other things. So, and the world also had this mindset. So initially this thought came to my mind, I should take him separately. And there were people who did not want to accept him. I would not speak on this very deeply and clearly, but all I decided at that time, no matter what, I would take Krishna with all other students, and no matter what will happen, no matter how others think, but I want to treat him normal. I want to look at him from a normal perspective, and you know, he has really done wonders. Now he speaks, and his ideologies are so much inspirational that the people, the students who now join Motivate Me, get inspired by him. They say to me that we want to speak like Krishna. Okay, we want to express our ideas like Krishna. You can go and check his presentations and his ideologies on his Hear Krishna channel as well. Okay, so Krishna, thank you so much for this acknowledgement of our efforts, the work we have been able to do with you, and it could not have been possible at all without your sincere efforts. You have really done wonders. You have really gone extra miles in every presentation and everything you did. Now I would like to ask you one question that is very much important. When the whole world was stopping you, when everybody was criticizing you, and nobody in this world, maybe the parents as well, and I don't think so, the parents I should include in this, but hardly anybody in this world may have had expectations with you. They may have thought, or they may have never thought that Krishna would speak English, Krishna would give wonderful presentations, Krishna would be able to address good audience, Krishna would have such rich ideologies, and Krishna would start a YouTube channel, and Krishna would become a brand ambassador of his own Motivate Me Academy. So what do you think, what did you think at that time about those people?
For this, I should say that when somebody treats me like this, पहले तो डिप्रेशन या फ्रस्ट्रेशन आती है कि अरे इसने मुझे कैसे कह दिया, क्योंकि जब कोई बंदा आपकी बेइज्जती करता है, खास कर किसी ऐसी कमी को लेके जो आपको किसी नेचुरल स्टेट से मिली है,
जिसमें आपका कोई फॉल्ट नहीं है.
हाँ, you will be harassed like this, and I was depressed. And मुझे लगता था मेरी जिंदगी का कोई मकसद नहीं है. पहली चीज तो ये आती है दिमाग में. दूसरा क्या था, बाद में क्या होने लगा, when I was around 13, 14, 15, 16 years. So tell me what did happen. My tuition teacher was not very like this mentality. Like he is adaptable, he can't do anything. They always feel that do clean writing, care yourself, be active. You all help me today with you.
Yes.
So उसमें भी क्या होता था, अब जैसे मुझे कहा लिखो, अब वहाँ पे कई बार क्या होता है, कुछ तो भगवान ऊपर से कमी देता ही है, कुछ इंसान बना देता है
वाह।
ढाल कि अभी तो मेरी जिंदगी साला ऐसे ही है। फिर क्या होता है, he they told me do proper writing. अब मैं कहता था कैसे करूँ, मुझे सब दिक्कत है। फिर वो कहीं कहो मैं कुछ समय बाद मैं भीगने लग जाता था। तो यहाँ पे क्या होता था, disability became my ego that I will be like this, manage with me. अब क्या होता था, when a teacher saw that उनका बच्चा ग्रेड 10 की जगह उनका विरोध करने में, उन्हें अपनी तरह से चलाने में यकीन रखता है। So why they will appreciate me, why they will interested to teach me good things. So वो भी है किसी ने छोड़ा नहीं मुझे, आज भी he will be going continue, they all are doing continue with doing, but वो सब मेरे साथ एक बंधन से थे कि हाँ इसे हम इसके साथ बंधे हुए हैं।
Very beautiful. Nice. So you're saying, what I should conclude from here, you are giving the credit of your growth to your teachers.
Yes.
Very beautiful. I love this idea and this mindset, this attitude of gratitude. Krishna, my next question to you would be, there are people in this world who are able, completely capable, born capable, who have wisdom, who have money, who have knowledge, who have facilities, who are being sent to good schools, who have good teacher support, but still they have complaints. They don't want to study. They think study is a burden on them. They think, why my parents are forcing me to study, why the hell my teachers are always poking me to get good marks and to perform better in class. What do you want to say about them, those capable and abled people? Okay, why are they not willing to do something meaningful in their life?
So if we see into this particular mindset, so ऐसे लोगों को हर चीज मिल जाती है हाथ में, किसी में हाथ में।
Correct.
तो जब सारी चीजें हाथ में होती है तो अंदर से ये चीज आती है, वी आर लेजेंड सेंस आज चाइंड। वो कहते हैं ना भाई बाप की बिजली औलाद वाला टाइप। So who are capable to do something? उनमें आ जाती है ईगो। हम तो कर ही लेंगे, हम तो कर ही लेंगे। और जब सच में कुछ करके दिखाने की बात आ जाती है, उनकी हो जाती है हालत पतली। बट who people face such a difficulty in life, like Abraham Lincoln, like Chanakya, or like Lord Rama. So the old people were legends because they also had the habit of surviving in any condition. So they know how to face problem और कैसे अपनी प्रॉब्लम को खत्म करना है। पर आजकल क्या हो रहा है, कुछ लोगों के पास जन्म से ही पैसा होता है, उन पे जन्म से ही फैसिलिटी होती है, तो उन्हें लगता है कि हम तो जन्म से ही अच्छे हैं। तो जैसे आजकल के कुछ चाइल्ड को आप देखेंगे, आई डोंट से अबाउट एवरी चाइल्ड, कुछ चाइल्ड होते हैं ना जिन्हें शो ऑफ करने की या घमंड दिखाने की आदत होती है। क्यों? क्योंकि उनके पास सारी फैसिलिटी जन्म से ही है, तो लगता है हम तो पहले से ही ले लेते हैं। तो हमें अभी ये फेलियर से या इस कवाज भरे रास्ते से क्यों लेजेंड बनना है?
Okay, so what should they correct in your point of view?
What should they correct? So, if any child are powerful, so he should just think that he is not powerful. This is his natural state. This is his birth state. And leadership is about the breaking the birth state and doing something big in our life that can be each on something big level. So if any child is yet, so उसे ये सोचना चाहिए, अरे मेरे पापा तो बिजनेस में यहाँ तक है, मैं वहाँ तक पहुँचूंगा, या मेरे बड़े तो इतने पावरफुल है, मैं इनसे भी ऊंचा निकलूंगा. So in this manner, what will happen? वो उन चीजों का माइंडसेट, उन चीजों का घमंड त्याग बैठेगा जो उसे जन्म से ही मिली हुई है. And his mind will become creative.
Very beautiful. And I'm so happy that what I understand from you is, if somebody is gifted, somebody has talent, some creativity, some good looks, some good health, they should think that this is a blessing they have received, and now going beyond it, taking it further, take the benefit of this and doing something big with the help of whatever abilities they have received from God or by the virtue of the blessings or the parents. This is how I understand your point of view. Now I would like to share with you one thing that I know about Krishna. Krishna has very keen interest in history, in politics, in spirituality. He has very deep knowledge about Ramayana, Mahabharata, and so many other things as well that usually people don't have. And nowadays he has awakened his interest in communication, public speaking, and along with that he is listening to Osho, right? So
Yes.
just one simple question. I'm not going to go very much deep in his wisdom. Any one message that you want to give to the youth, the students, okay, from your lessons that you are, your leadership lessons that you are currently working upon, your learning?
So in a motivate me, I see that कुछ लोगों को थोड़ा बहुत एक साल तक या आधा साल तक करके लगता है. नाम नहीं लूँगा किसी का, बट कि इतनी इंग्लिश तो आ गई यार, अब अपने आगे तो कोई बोल ही नहीं पाएगा. So in that manner, they don't see the next best, but there is a quotation here that I want to share about to you, that is to give your next best should be your natural tendency.
Beautiful. That's an amazing lesson. So you're saying that don't stay in your limits. Always try to give your next best, and
Yes.
that is your natural. That should be your natural tendency. So never try to be satisfied with what you have just done best. So there is something always beyond what you have just done, and people are calling is best. Now, my next question to you is about Hear Krishna. You have started this Hear Krishna channel, and with a deep meaning, you come there, you share your ideologies, your rituals, your understandings, you try to inspire students up to 12th class. So, and to others as well, they are inspirational, they are inspiring things. What is the core purpose of Hear Krishna channel that you have started this movement? What is the core ideology? Why you want to pursue this for the rest of your life?
Yes. So here Krishna purpose is to that so many people are facing such a problem in life. Like me, like Abraham Lincoln, राधिका, श्रीकांत भोले, इन सभी लोगों ने अपनी लाइफ में बहुत संघर्ष किया है, पर आजकल की जनरेशन संघर्षों को नजरअंदाज करके केवल सफलता की मिठास चखना चाहती है। तो there is a purpose of here कृष्णा उन लोगों को कुछ नया करने के लिए इंस्पायर करना फॉर देयर अवेकनिंग, जो अपनी लाइफ में किसी ना किसी पॉइंट से डिसअपॉइंटेड है।
Wonderful, beautiful purpose. So, with this, I would like to take a halt in our conversation, and I'm sure you people really loved the way Krishna expressed his thoughts, and you really feel inspired by his life journey and by the way he has committed to live his life. If you really like this, share his podcast, share this podcast, his ideologies with the people you think will get inspired by after watching this. Thank you so much.